how to switch between apps on your Apple Watch 9. So let's say if you go into the app screen and you open up a few apps such as reminders or note. So we can or the internet app. And if you want to switch between the apps, what you can do is press on the side button here, double press. So 1, 2. When you double press on that, that will open up the recent app screen. And here you can use your finger to swipe up or down, or you can use the crown button to scroll up or down to switch between apps. So here I can switch to the health app, or I can switch to the clock app, or I can scroll down or scroll up to open up my calendar. And that's it. So that is how you can switch. So that's how you can switch between apps on your Apple Watch 9. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.